Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Ujjwala. Good evening, Ajit. We'll wait for another 5 minutes, then we'll start, Ujjwala. So, good evening, all. We'll wait for another 2 minutes, then we'll start. Please, this now, note the questions when which you have doubt, because we'll see first doubt questions, then remaining questions of circle chapter. So, Navneet, any question you have doubt, Ujjwala Sejal, any question you have doubt in exercise 10.2? Which question you want me to discuss first?
Sir, I don't have any doubts.
Because today this was the homework for all of you. Circle chapter, both 10.1 and both 10.2 exercise. Which question you want me to solve from the exercise? 10.1 is over, 10.2 is this now we have to solve today. I didn't get any doubts. I was able to solve. Okay. What about others? Sijal, Ajit, Ujjwala. Any question you found difficulty in this? Any difficulty in this exercise 10.2? Total 13 questions are there. So all 13 you were able to solve. No doubt. So we'll see some questions because none of you are replying. So we'll see some discuss some questions which are important for exercise 10.2. See, this exercise 10.2 and date is 26th. Book close, everyone will keep their book close and try this question. Question number 8 I will mention in this book. Means I will write the question and you can keep your book close. Quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to circumscribe a circle. ठीक है, full stop. Prove that AB plus CD equal to AD plus BC. This is the diagram. Circle. A, B, C, D, E, Q, R, S. Please try this question. ABCD is drawn to a circumscribed. Circumscribe means this quadrilateral will be above this circle. Circle will be inside this quadrilateral. Quadrilateral will be this in outer side. Inscribe, if it is inscribed, then quadrilateral will be inside the circle. If it is circumscribed, then this quadrilateral will be outside the circle. Okay, Ujjwala. So we have to prove the basic left hand right. We have to prove it will be equal to right hand side. Okay, Ujjwala, please. You can solve and then you can take this now. Pick off that solution. You can WhatsApp me also. You can WhatsApp me individually. Direct you can
Yes,
send
sir.
me the photo if you feel. Otherwise, you got the answer, then it's fine, no problem. Because Here we'll see. So if we see here 4 point, you can also solve and let me also solve side by side. For point A will be external point. So these two will be tangent, AP and AS. So AP equal to AS. For point B, this BP and BQ will be the tangent. For point B, okay, done, Apurva, good. For point B, BP equal to BQ. Please try others also. For point B, BP equal to BQ. This is equation 1. Equation 2. For point, we can say A after A, B, then C. This CR will be equal to CQ. So we write point C, CR, CR will be equal to CQ. See, carefully if you see the points, here we have AB and CD in left hand side. So AB will be made up of AP and PB. In left hand side we have AB plus CD. So AB will be AB, AP plus PB. So AP left side, PB right left side, and we get AB. CD will get from CR and DR. So this is CR, and one more equation will come for DR. So for point D we can write DR value. So for point D, DR, because CR plus DR will be CD. Okay, Navneet, good. So two students, Apurva and Navneet, got the answer, got the proof. That's a good thing. Others can also try. Otherwise, see the solution. DR, see, point A is extended to this circle, so this will be tangent, and both the tangents will be equal. So AP will be equal to AS. Similarly, for point B, BP tangent and BQ tangent will be equal. For point C, we write CR and CQ. Why CR and CQ? Because in left hand side we have AB plus CD. So AB will be AP plus BP. CD, CR plus DR. So CR we have written, now we'll write DR here. For point D, DR will be equal to DS. And we'll add, carefully we write the values and we'll add the this now. Send you the answer. Okay, Jula? No problem. Let me check on. Okay. Right. It seems it is correct. Good. So your answer is also correct. Perfectly right. Writing is also very good. So writing is also important for this boards, this examination, because they give good marks for good writing. So these are the questions 4. So we can see from our this left hand side case AB. So basically AB will be this now AP plus PB. So here we write AP PB. Then CD will be made up of CR and DR. CR and DR. So here we have CR, here we have DR. So for this AP will get from point A, AP will be equal to S. From B point, BP will be equal to BQ. For C point, CR will be equal to CQ. And for D, DR will be equal to DS. Right, DR will be equal to DS because external points. Now, equation 1 plus 2 means equation 2 plus equation 3 plus equation 4 we get C. So left hand side we'll add AP plus PB and BP are same plus CR plus DR. So these are left hand side value. Correct, Apurva. Answer is correct. And same method. So these are left hand side value. Right side we'll add AS plus BQ plus CQ plus DS. Now we can write here. So AP plus BP we can write in bracket. AP plus BP will be AB, and CR plus DR we can see CR plus DR will be CD. So this is we got left hand side. Now right hand side value. Right hand side value is AS plus BQ. AS plus BQ. 1 second. So we can see right hand side value. Right hand side AD plus BC. What will be AD? AS plus DS. So AS plus DS will be AS plus
AD.
DS will be AD. And this is BC. BC will be BQ plus CQ. BQ plus CQ will be BC. BQ plus CQ will be BC. Got hence proved we can say. Hence proved. We can take one by one. Hence proved. Hence proved means
Sir, should I even send you
left hand side.
photos of the
We can write
sums?
left hand side equal to right hand side, because in left hand side we had this value. You can see AB plus CD. AB will get from AB plus PP, AP plus PB, and CD CR plus DR. And here AD will get from AS and DS, and BC will get from BQ and CQ, BQ and CQ. Right, got the answer. So this is correct. We can say value. Now we'll see. Please note the solution who couldn't solve this question. Note the solution. This was question number 8. No, no need to send, because you can match from here. If it's matching with your answer, then you can put mark this not tick correct option, correct sign in your notebook. You can verify from here solution. In case you have doubt, then you can send me the answer on WhatsApp. Otherwise, you can match from here. Noted. Shall we move to next question? The property will be property. This the third basically. Third theorem is there that tangents from external point will be having equal length. Tangents from external point to a same circle to a circle will have equal length. That is one property which we have used. Now we'll see next question. We'll see question number this now next question ninth number. Next question ninth number we can try. Let me this now write the question here ninth number. Then we'll see. In question number 9, it is given. Let me write the question here. You don't have to open the book. I will write question here. Just find the solution. XY is one line, and here X dash, and this will be Y dash. And here we have center of the circle O. Then here one more tangent. P Q A. This is C. This is B. Image joint. This A. With B. And we have to prove. So given is circle with center O, and XY line is parallel to X dash, Y dash, and AB is also tangent at point C. To prove angle AOB equal to 90 degree. Please do the proof. Now AOB we have to prove as 90 degree. This will be 90 degree. So AOB we have to prove this angle as 90 degree. So this is 90 degree. We have to prove this thing. Everyone will try. And those who don't know the answer, please type IDK chat in chat directly to me, not in group. Not to me solve. Directly you can send me. Done, Navneet?
No, sir, I'm still doing.
Voice is not audible actually. What are you saying? Not done. I'm still doing. Okay. Please solve. Please do the proof. Two minutes more. Got the answer. Done, Apurva. Okay, good. Ajit also. Good. So 2CA B plus 2CA C. So here is the proof of this question. So this is radius line. This will be radius, and this will be tangent. So this will be 90 degree. Radius, tangent. This will be 90 degree. So OP will be perpendicular to XY, and OQ will be perpendicular to X dash Y dash. So this implies we can write angle OPA equal to 90 degree equal to angle OQB. Okay. Now this is 90 degree. Second thing, this both will be 90 degree. So we can say also one more thing. Hmm. We can join this one, or directly we can solve. This plus this will be second. This we can join, because OC COA angle COA plus angle COB will be 90 degree to COA. Twice of COA plus twice of COB is equal to 180 degree. many methods are there. Suppose we join OC, then this will be also be 90 degree. Okay. So no problem. So we can prove these two are congruent. In this now congruent we have to prove which triangle? This triangle and this triangle. Because if we do construction and join this AC, then this will be 90 degree. This is 90 degree. This is common side, and this is R, correct Apurva, and this will be R. So basically RHS congruency. So we can say triangle OPA is congruent to triangle OPA, then OCA by RHS congruency criteria, because as angle OPA equal to angle OCA equal to 90 degree and OP equal to PO, because we can say radius is proportional to tangent. OP is equal to PA common side, common. OP is equal to OA, sorry, OA is equal to PAO, OA is equal to AO, OA is equal to AO, and one more thing, OA equal to AO, and one more thing, OP equal to OC, R radius of the circle. So these two are congruent, so we can say this angle will be equal. So this angle 1 equal to 2. Hence, by CP, CT, corresponding part of congruent triangle, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. This is, we can say, equation 1. Similarly, we can prove, right, right. Similarly, we can prove this triangle. Let me show in green. This triangle is congruent to this one. Again, this is 90 degree, this is 90, this is common side, and this is R, and again this will also be R. So this is congruent, and same here we have 3 is equal to 4, so this will be 3 angle, and this is 4 angle, 3 is equal to angle 4. We can say similarly triangle OBC is congruent to triangle OBQ, RHS congruency, as angle OQB equal to angle OCB equal to 90 degree. Reason we have specified R radius is perpendicular to tangent. Then OB is equal to BO common side, and OQ is equal to OC equal to radius, we can say. OQ equal to OC, we can see in diagram. This is radius value. Radius. So by CPCT we can write, by CPCT corresponding part of congruent triangle, angle 3 is equal to angle 4. This we can take as equation 2. Now we can write, now one line we have to write and we will get the answer. Now POQ is a straight line. POQ is a straight line. So POQ is a straight line. POQ is a straight line. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to, straight line means 180 degree. Now 1 and 2 are equal. So we can write double of angle 2. 3 and 4 are equal to double of angle 3, because 2 and 3 are important. 2 and 3 are important because 2 will take, so this will come, and 3 will take this one, and combining 2 and 3 will give be this angle AOB. So twice of angle 2 we write plus twice of angle 3 will be equal to 180. So 2 we can take common. So angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180. So angle 2 plus angle 3 will be 90 degree, and angle 2 plus angle 3 will be angle AOB equal to 90 degree. Angle AOB equal to 90 degree. Correct. AOB we have 90 degree means we have proved the question, hence proved. Hence proved. Because AOB only correct. AOB only we have to prove as equal to 90 degree. Please note the solution. So 1, this is 1 equation 1, and this is 2, this is 3 and 4. So 1 is equal to 2 and 3 is equal to 4. And this is straight line basically, POQ. So POQ is straight line means angle will be 180 degree. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 will be 180. 1, 2 are equal, so we can take twice of angle 2, and 3, 4 are equal, so we can take twice of angle 3 equal to 180 degree. So this will be angle OP will be equal to 90 degree. Right, to Apurva, Navneet and Ajit could solve the this question. Means only 3 out of total this are 80 students. Noted the solution. So tangent property will use here also, because ACB is tangent to the circle, so angle C will be 90 degree. So we can prove by this. These two triangles will prove first congruent, this one and this one. Then by CPCT, angle 1 will be equal to angle 2. And then we'll prove this one, 3 and 4, 3 side and 4 side congruent. And by CPCT, we'll get the value angle 3 will be equal to angle 4. And finally we get the answer. Means on, because POQ is a straight line, so 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is 180. So 1 and 2 are equal, so twice of 2, and 2, 3 and 4 are equal, so twice of 3 will be equal to 180. So 2 plus 3 will be equal to 90. This was the simple, we can say, proof. Just we have to make the code to this the two triangles first congruent, CPCT 1 equal to, then these two triangles congruent, 3 is equal to 4 by CPCT, and we can use the for concept of straight line, that is total angle will be, angle POQ will be equal to 180 degree. Correct. This is angle 4. I'll see next question, that is question number now 12 number. Other question we'll also see. First we'll see question number 12. Let me draw here. Question number 12 from your textbook. A ABC is a triangle drawn to circumscribe, means circumscribe a circle. This triangle will be outside because it is circumscribing a circle of radius 4 unit, 4 centimeter we can say. So this will be 4 centimeter it is given, and D is a point on BC such that this now BC divides the 8 centimeter 6 centimeter respectively. The figure is given, matlab this is 8 centimeter. Oh, 1 second. This is 6 centimeter. This is 8 centimeter. So to find the length of AB and AC, so to find AB equal to question mark and AC will be equal to question mark. Circle is given, and this now D is 1 point on the BC such that BD will be equal to is 8 centimeter and CD is 6 centimeter, and BC will be tangent to the circle. We have to find AB and AC. This is the only diagram. Triangle ABC drawn to circumscribe, means outside this circle triangle will be there, and if it is inscribed then circle will be outside, triangle will be inside. Radius 4 such that BC divides this point in D of 8 and 6. Find the sides AB and AC. AB and AC. Correct. So AB and AC we have to find what will be the value. This question can also come. This is Tama question. Please try everyone. Tanvi Sejal Prabhanjan, please try this question. I want answer from you all. Anybody don't know the answer, then please type ITK and send it to me.